Working with preferences. As an administrator, you need to give your end users guidance on what preferences to set, because it's the user that needs to set these preferences. So for example, we can determine startup options. Do we want to log in directly to the home page, or we could choose an application. This is particularly useful if you've got users who only ever use one application. And obviously you have other startup options such as explore, a particular document or a favorite that you can navigate to. The user preferences that the user must set is in consolidation. And the defaults are obviously a decimal character of a full stop and 1,000 separator character as a comma. So the user could come in here and change this relating to a particular application. If they do make any changes, they'll need to save. And we have a note here saying changes are effective after reopening the application. So we'd need to close the Keyteach demo application and reopen it. Some very common preferences that need to be set relate to when users run reports for the first time. To prevent any errors from occurring, we recommend that the user point of view is set to on. And this forces the user to set the point of view before running any reports. So once you've set your preferences, you can choose OK. If you set preferences for the particular Keyteach demo application, I should close Keyteach demo and open it again. But please do bear in mind, as an administrator, you can set some default options in Manage Preferences. So navigate, administer, workspace settings, manage preferences. This option allows you to push preferences on particular groups of users. So you could say available users or available groups. Let's just say update list. So here I could see a whole load of groups or users, and we can push them into a particular selected group, click next, and then I can set some preferences for those users. So here I can go down and say, well, actually, I want those types of users to log in, and they're going to go directly to the application called Keyteach demo. And then I can click next and finish. So you can push some preferences to your users using administer workspace settings, manage preferences. But the users will need to go in and set their own local preferences that tend to relate to consolidation and also financial reporting. So we can determine the general preferences using the options I've just shown you.